Compact excavators are some of the most useful pieces of construction equipment out there when you consider the number of functions they can perform and the various attachments they can utilize. You can further increase the efficiency and versatility of your compact excavator through the use of a quick attach coupler. Today we are going to look at our three coupler options: the Klac coupler, universal mechanical coupler, and universal hydraulic coupler. We will first begin with our Klac coupler. The plate-style design of the Klac coupler makes disengagement and engagement of the attachment both safe and easy. After inserting the Klac tool into the eyelet, pull down to free the bucket from the spring lock mechanism. Picking up the attachment is as easy as catching the hooks of the Klac plate on the bucket with the coupler's pins and then clacking the attachment into its locked position. An additional benefit of the Klac plate-style coupler is the mitigation of breakout force loss due to the coupler's low profile. Next, we will look at the universal mechanical quick coupler. To disengage the attachment, the operator inserts the tool in the spring lock eyelet to free the bucket and allow the operator to insert the positioning lock pin. Reverse the process to lock the bucket into place by inserting the tool and placing the pin in the lock position. Finally, we will look at our universal hydraulic quick coupler. Unlike the two mechanical couplers previously discussed, the operator does not need to leave the cab to drop and pick up attachments. Instead, the operator activates the quick coupler hydraulic provision by engaging the safety switch on the left side of the station. Once activated, placing the unit in full curl will actuate the locking pins, unlock the coupler, and allow the operator to drop the attachment. To pick up the attachment, just reverse the process. Once the attachment is seated, deactivating the quick coupler hydraulic provision switch causes the locking pins to automatically extend into the lock position. As a safety feature, the locking pin facing the operator is a high visibility yellow, so the operator can confirm the attachment is in the locked position. One more thing to note is that New Holland's mechanical and hydraulic quick couplers operate with a wide range of buckets and attachments and are compatible with other well-known machine brands. For more information on construction attachments, compact excavators, or any of our other construction products, please visit us at construction.newholland.com.